Hello and welcome to another in our series of white paper interviews. I'm Joe Boyle and today I'm joined by Marissa Jacobson. Marissa is the Director of Operations and BIM Management for V Technologies. Marissa, welcome.
Thank you, Joe.
And Marissa, you wrote a really interesting white paper called Adaptive Reuse and Regenerative Design, Transforming Spaces for Sustainable Development. Really enjoyed the read, by the way.
Thank you.
Can you tell me what are some factors that impact the outcome of adaptive reuse?
I'll start by saying that what happened over the past 2 years has definitely increased the emphasis on adaptive reuse and sustainability efforts. The most important governing factor that I've found, for adaptive reuse is to be the building's structural integrity. That is a really vital part of, adaptive reuse and ensuring that, we all are following the right process. Also, its residual service life, spatial layouts, its location, and the ease of retrofitting or installing new building components are also some existing building form initiatives that we need to think about.
Okay, yeah, that's really interesting. So in your opinion, what is the future of adaptive reuse and regenerative architecture in the AEC industry?
I think the future looks really bright for adaptive reuse and regenerative architecture. There are several initiatives right now in the US and globally for that matter, that encourage designers, architects, engineers throughout the construction process to be cognizant of sustainability, carbon footprint, you name it. So we will, continue to experience an acceleration for the need to repurpose existing spaces and to meet those changing demands while incorporating health and safety considerations, within our economic stability. I think adaptive reuse and regenerative architecture will definitely play a really vital role in revitalizing communities, supporting economic recovery and creating resilient built environments that will also enhance our communities and lives altogether.
Oh, great, excellent response. So if you could leave your reader with one takeaway that is an essential piece of this article, what do you think that would be?
I think it would be to always consider the relationship between buildings and their environments, and to just consciously evaluate, understand, and appropriately apply the elements and characteristics that, are spoken about in this paper. And you can do, additional research as well, that will take into consideration your health and safety, functional and operational efficiencies, cost effectiveness, and historic preservation. I think those are really vital parts of adaptive reuse and regenerative architecture.
Great. Marissa, thank you for your time today. If you'd like to learn more about V Technologies or to read Marissa's white paper, check us out at vtechnologies.com.